Hello Hungry Fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. First of all, wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti and happy Pongal. On this festive day, let's make two healthy yet delicious dessert laddus, and these are the ingredients for making winter special immunity laddu. Nutmeg, makhana, white pepper powder, melon seeds, peanuts, almonds, jaggery, ginger powder, dry coconut, sesame seeds and cardamom powder. First, we have to dry roast all the main ingredients, starting with 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. Then remove it on a plate to cool down. Then roast 1/4 cup of melon seeds, that is magaj, until it turns golden brown. Remove it to cool as well. Then roast half cup of dry coconut until it's brown. Then roast 1 cup of makhana, that is lotus seeds, until it's nice and changes its color. To check if it's done, try breaking one seed. If it breaks easily, then the makhanas are roasted perfectly. Remove it on a plate as well. Then roast 1/4 cup of peanuts. You can microwave it as well. Once they are browned enough, peel its skin with your fingers. Discard all the skin and roast it again until it's brown. Finally, roast 1/4 cup of almonds until it's brown and remove it on a plate. Once all the roasted ingredients are at room temperature, start grinding it into powder. But we have to grind it separately for better results. If you grind it together, then you won't get a fine powder. First, I made powder of melon seeds and sesame seeds. Then dry coconut. Then makhana. And finally, I made powder of almonds and peanuts. Mix all the powders together. Then weigh how much powder you have in total. This bowl has 1.5 cup of powder, so I'll use 3/4 cup of jaggery, which is half of it. So even you have to do the same. Use half amount of jaggery than the powder you get. Once you add the jaggery in the pan, add 1 teaspoon water and let the jaggery melt until it forms a syrup. To that, add 1 teaspoon each of white pepper powder, cardamom powder and ginger powder. Then grate half teaspoon of nutmeg, that is jaifal, and mix. Finally, add the dry roasted powder in 2 batches. And mix it all together. Once you mix it, let it cool down for only 4 to 5 minutes. Then apply ghee on your palm and start rolling and shaping 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture into a small ball. I made 24 balls with this measurement. Garnish it with pistachios, which is completely optional. These laddus are definitely going to improve your immunity during this chilly winter and prevent you from cold and cough. It is very healthy. All the ingredients we added have abundant benefits. It's not just healthy but very delicious. One laddu will never be enough, so definitely give this health balls a try. Now let's move on to making Makar Sankranti special Til Gur, that is Til Ke Laddu. And the ingredients are cardamom powder, jaggery, roasted peanuts, sesame seeds and ghee. First, dry roast 1 cup of sesame seeds, that is white til, until it changes the color to golden brown. Then remove it in a plate and in the same pan add 1 tablespoon ghee and 1 cup of jaggery, that is gur. Saute and add 1 tablespoon water and let the jaggery melt and form a syrup-like consistency. Then add 1 teaspoon cardamom, that is elaichi powder. Mix it in. Then add 1 cup of the roasted til and 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, that is singdana. Mix it in. Remove it from the pan and immediately start shaping the laddu, or else the mixture will set and become hard. Apply water every time before you roll the mixture. It prevents your hands from burning. Take about a teaspoon and roll it into a smooth ball. From 1 cup of sesame seeds, you can make approximately 26 to 28 medium-sized laddus. They look really beautiful and exactly like any store-bought laddu, but the taste is so much better. It's crunchy from the outside and soft from the inside. You can taste the peanuts, cardamom as well as the sesame seeds nicely. Definitely give it a try and just say tere gud gya ani good bola. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and follow us on Instagram @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.